everybody. Welcome back to Kid Draws. And today we're gonna make a bear who is holding a heart. Okay, I don't have an example, but I made this before. I can't find it. Okay, for our materials, we're gonna need scissors, pencil, an outline marker, and something to color with. Okay, let's get started. So, we're gonna draw the little bear, but I'll show you how to draw it because we need something special to draw it. So, I forgot we needed tape, like double-sided tape and stuff. Okay, let's draw the bear. First, we'll draw the ears. Like that. And then, let's draw the face. Okay. And now for the body, let's draw a body. And we're not going to draw the arms. We're not going to draw the arms at all. Because we're supposed to draw them here. Now let's draw the heart. Okay. Wait. Okay, after we draw our bear, I fixed it. I made it into a hamster. We're gonna color it. We're gonna erase it because we're gonna just erase it. I'll grab my eraser and erase it. But you can still see the hamster or anything animal you drew. Let's color it now. I'm going to use a pink. This is the smallest mark in the world. Now let's color the hamster. I'm going to use a yellow. I'm going to grab my yellow. And now let's outline it with a black pen. Now let's cut it out with our scissors. Okay, I'm gonna grab some two-sided tape and let's glue the arms on. I'll take an arm. I'll put it on the sides a little bit. Don't just put it in the middle. Put it on the side. And then let's stick it right on where you wanted the arms to be. Make sure it can open a little bit. Now let's do the other arm. Now let's grab a heart and let's put it in their hands. I'll make a bigger heart. I'm gonna put it in his hands, or her. We're gonna slide it in. And there we go. Thank you guys for watching this video. And bye guys, have a great day.